Hi guys! Today I am going to give you a few tips about how to format and what to include in your work experience section of your resume. These tips will be especially useful for people who are new to the Canadian workplace, such as international students, new graduates, or simply newcomers to Canada who need to create a resume and then of course go look for a job. So let's get started. In your work experience section of your resume, the first part you should put is your job title. That's what recruiters care about the most, so put it first. And because it is a job title, make sure to start with capital letters. Even if it's two words, for example, marketing assistant. The M for marketing is capital and the A for assistant is also capital. Next, put a comma and put the name of the company. After that, put another comma and put the location of the company. Now, only include the city, the state or province, but not the country if the company is in Canada. Now, if you have work experience from another country, you may want to put the city name, the state or province, and the country also, because that company might not be known here in Canada. And then after that, you should put the dates from and to that you worked at this company. Make sure to include both the month and the year that you started and finished. If you are still working at this company, include the start month and year, put a dash, and then write the word current. So that should be the top line. After that, below that information, you should include 3 or 4, but preferably 3, bullet points about what you did at that company. Now, it's extremely important to not include tasks, but rather focus on accomplishments and start each bullet point with an action verb. And I created a video about how to use action verbs in this section of your resume in the past, and I will include the link to that video in the description of this video. So to review briefly, the first thing you should put is your job title. The next thing you should put is the company where you worked at. The third thing you should include is the location of the company, and then finally the dates that you worked there, and then after that include 3 or 4 bullet points starting with action verbs describing your achievements at that company. And do this for every position you've held in the past with each company. I hope this tip was useful for you, and make sure to include any comments or questions that you might have in the comments section below.